I think people just think about it. I'm so dope. I can tell you that's a white side.